JBL Flip 5 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker black. Visit the JBL store. 55.920 rating and 744 answer questions. Amazon for GBI Bluetooth speakers to 23% $99. List price colors black. Speaker headphone speaker only brand JBL model Flip BLK number speaker portable Bluetooth speaker type connectivity Bluetooth technology color black. About this item wireless Bluetooth streaming 12 hour of playtime IP cross 7 waterproof pair multiple speakers with party boost premium JBL sound quality connected type 3.5 millimeter stereo power source type battery powered included component quick start guide safely sheet warranty card. There is another model of this item JBL Flip 6 portable Bluetooth speaker powerful sound and sleep bass IPX7 waterproof 12 hour of playtime JBL party boost for multiple speakers pairing speakers for home outdoor and travel black $129.85 note products with electrically plugs are designed for use in this us outlet and voltage differ internationally, and these products may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check capability before purchasing. Philips 4807 dollar rugged wireless Bluetooth speaker with Bluetooth multi-point connection 10 $69.99. Similar G07 multiply 5R and 7-inch card plotter with HDI transducer CMAP discover chat card 832.02 creative MUVO play portable Bluetooth 5.0 speaker IPX7 waterproof for 22139.99 portable Bluetooth PA speaker system 800 watt 10 rechargeable speaker TV S party. Customer also search Sonos speaker portable Bluetooth speaker USB charger Bluetooth phone speaker. Warning: California Proposition 65 products guide and documents specification sheets PDF troubleshooting guide PDF user guide PDF user manual PDF. What in the box? Speaker USB-C cable quick start guide customer question and answer. Have a question, search for an answer question. It is loud enough to be heard on a boat. If you're parked at a sandbar and place it on the dash, you can hear it well outside the boat. That how we use our and it saves our boat battery. If you cruising at low speed, you can still near it, but it's not that enjoyable. And at faster speed the engine and wind nice will drown it out. Hope that helps. By mechanic on November 7, 2020.